structure, and really in an interest of having an efficient and cost-effective way of building a structure that really anybody could use, kind of the idea of a Lego kit. We're using a structural insulated foam panel. The panels consist of 2 layers of OSB or oriented strand board, and then a layer of expanded styrene foam. That becomes the structure. There's no need for 2x4s or any other framing. The panels are held together with a spline that's slipped into a groove, and so they just, when they're being installed, they just slide together, and then they're screwed or nailed in place. And then this small channel that runs through the middle allows us to put foam, which then locks it all up. The beauty of that is it creates a monolithic structure, so that we don't get any air intrusion, and therefore it's extremely efficient.